In today's class, we are going to learn preposition of place and moment. Preposition of place is used to refer to a place where something or someone is located. These include in, on, at, over, above, under, below, between, among, across, in front of, behind, near, etc. Let us see few tips on preposition of place. In is used for enclosed places. See the example. The ball is in the box. So in the picture, the ball is in the box where the box is an enclosed space. The boy is in the room. Look at the picture. The boy is in the room where the room is an enclosed space. The next preposition is on, which is used for surfaces. The ball is on the table. The teddy is on the bed. The ball is on the table. The surface is the table where the ball is touching the table. The teddy is on the bed. The next preposition is at, which is used for a particular point, or at is used with buildings. Look at the example. At the door, at the bus stop. So here these refer to the preposition at for a point. At college, at the field, at the concert. The chair is at the corner of the room. See the picture. The chair is at the corner of the room. It is specifying a particular point. She was at the bus stop. Over. We use over to talk about movement or position at a higher level than something. Birds flew over the lake. He jumped over the wall. Above. When one thing is directly over another and no movement. The plane was flying above the clouds. The mirror is above the sink. Next we move on to under and below, which is a level lower than. Look at the difference between under and below in the picture. Under, it is directly below. The cat is under the table. The river flows under the bridge. Below, it means at a lower level. The apple is below the desk. Look at the apple, which is not directly below but is a little apart. The land is below the sea level. Next we move on to between and among. Between, something between two things. The girl is between the two trees. The cat is between the baskets. Among, something is in the middle of a group of things. Look at the example. There is a house among the trees. There is a pink pencil among yellow pencils. Next we preposition across. It means from one side to opposite side. The bridge is across the river. Against, touching something or somebody for support. The ladder is against the wall. Behind, at or to the back of something or someone. The girl is behind the door. In front of, close to the front of something or someone. The dog is in front of the house. Let's move on to preposition of movement. The first preposition is to, which indicates a destination we are going to. Example, we are going to the market. Into, movement that enters the space. The boy is jumping into the river. Towards, movement in the direction of something. The ball is going towards the box. Along, movement of something in a line. The boy is walking along the beach. Thank you, students.